Hello, my dear lovely children. Welcome back to this class. Very good morning. I'm your English ma'am, Shanti ma'am. Okay. So today we are going to learn grammar lesson. Okay, children. Grammar lesson. Cambridge School Grammar. Okay. So today we are going to learn lesson number 2 from this grammar book. Okay. So in your previous class you have learned common and proper noun, isn't it? So today's class you are going to learn nouns to singular and plural nouns. Very simple, very simple. Already you know some of the singular and plural words. Okay. So in detail we will learn how to write singular and plural nouns. Okay, children. So here you can see, look at this picture. Look at this picture. In this picture you can see this side only one bird, crow is there, and this side you can see many birds, more than one bird. Okay, so birds, one, more than one. So here you can see, look at these pictures. Are they showing one crow or more than one crow? Tick the correct boxes. In this side, how many crows are there? Bird is there? Only one. So put tick mark on one. And this side, many, more than one crows. Okay, so this one. Okay, simply singular means only one, dear children. Singular means only one, and plural means more than one, many anta artha. Okay na? Okay, so here you can see one pencil. Okay, one pencil, and here you can see more than one pens. Illi two pens idave, one and two. One pens and two pens. Two pens, and this side only one pencil. So this is singular and these are called plural nouns. Okay, children. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ನೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now let us read the passage carefully. Here you can see many men and women were walking in the park. Okay, one man was walking a dog, one woman was jogging, some boys were playing with a ball, one boy was flying a kite. So here you can see, look at this picture. Okay, people are playing in the park and walking. Okay, so many men, many means alle plural anta. Okay, many men. So men singular word is man, men, and women is a plural word, and for this plural word woman. Okay, woman, women, man, men were walking in the park. One man was walking a dog. Here look at this picture. One man, only one man walking a dog. One woman was jogging. Where it is? One woman, I think this one. Okay, some boys were playing with a ball. Some boys, here see, not only one boys. Okay, one boy, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are playing with balls. Okay, so ball. So here you can see plural, and ball is a singular. One boy was flying a kite. This boy, one boy is flying a kite. Okay. Two girls were sitting on a bench. One girl was taking pictures. All the children were enjoying themselves. Here see two girls. Okay, plural. One girl, okay, is singular. Okay, next. The italicized words are used to talk about one person or thing. These are called singular nouns. If we are talking about only one person or only one thing, okay, is called singular nouns. For example, pencil or pencils. Okay. Dear children, here you can see, if we are talking about one pencil, here you can see pencil, one pencil ide, so it is called singular noun. Now here you can see more pencils. Okay, here you can see more pencils. Okay, more pencils, one pencil, two pencil and three pencils. So this is called pencils and plural nouns. Okay, plural nouns, dear children. So one is means singular and more than one is means, okay, plural. Okay, so here the underlined words are used to talk about more than one person or thing. Okay, underlined words, here you can see girls, pictures, children. These all are plural nouns, dear children. So remember, here we add es to the singular noun to form the plurals of many nouns. Okay, this is a regular form. You can see very easy way. If we are adding with the word singular noun plus yes, it is okay, it will become plural nouns. For example, ball is only one. Then with adding yes, it will become balls, plural nouns. Okay, children. Flower plus yes, flowers. Okay. Now we use singular noun plus es. Okay, with the ending letters. You can see x, yes, ch, sh. Okay, ending letters s idre, ch idre, sh, x idre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು es ಸೇರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So here you can see yes means we have to add es. ch last letter ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ch ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು es ಸೇರಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, plural nouns to make plural nouns, how to write s, ch, sh, x. Okay, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ what you have to do, we have to add es to form a plural nouns. We change the spellings of some nouns. Okay, this is irregular form. We change the spellings of some nouns to form their plurals. They do not take s or es. Totally different. Okay, yes add madangilla or es add madangilla. These words are totally different. Okay, so here you can see man, men. There is no s in the okay, end of the word there is no yes. So we are not added any yes after the words. Child, children. Foot, feet. Woman, women. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. So these all words, okay, spellings are different, but also they are singular and plural nouns. Okay. Now let us practice one main we will do. This page we will do for today's class. Let us practice. Look at the underlined words in these sentences. Are they singular nouns or plural nouns? Tick the correct box. Okay, one has been done for you. So underlined words in these sentences, are they singular or plural nouns? You have to find out the underlined words is singular or plural noun. All the houses. Yes. So this is plural noun. Okay. The children. So child is singular noun and the plural form of child is children. So children, okay, plural. Children, plural. Children word is plural noun. My tooth is aching. My tooth is aching. So singular, only one tooth. Okay. A woman is buying apples. Underlined. Apples means plural. But here underlined word is woman. Woman is singular. So singular noun. The boxes. Here you can see, dear children, boxes. So plural. So many boxes. Okay. Next one. Fill in the blanks with the correct singular and plural nouns. There is a small brown mouse. Okay. There is a small brown mouse in the garden. Here you can see there is a small brown. So A bandre adu singular anta artha. Okay na. So there is a small brown mouse in the garden. All means alle more than one agutte. Okay. All suitable singular plural nouns ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So all my friends are going to the party. The next one, there were many means plural. So plural word. Birds flying in the sky. The three is also more than one. So this is also plural. Okay. The 3 foxes are playing in the grass. That pink teddy bear is my favorite. Toy or toys? Pink teddy bear. Only one teddy bear. So toy. Singular. Okay children. So this much is enough. So this one I'll give for you as a homework. Okay. Okay children. Understood? So this much enough. So do practice, dear children. So if you have any doubt regarding this chapter, okay, regarding this topic, you can call me in the evening time. Okay. So see you again in the next class, dear children. Stay home, stay safe. Take care, dear children. Thank you and bye.